Hello, good day my lovely parents. I'm here to introduce to you the first level songs of the Journey Phonics. Can we see this? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. As in sun. As in sheep. As in snake. Can we see this? Let's go. Ah, 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 ah. Into my arm. Ah, ah. Into my arm. Ah, ah. Into my arm is causing me alarm. Ah, ah. As in apple. Ah, as in airplane. Airplane. Let's say it again. Airplane. Look at this. One day, Mr. Clinton went to watch a table tennis match and he was looking at where the ball is moving to. This, and it goes, his head was moving this way, that way. When I watched a tennis game, when I watched a tennis game, my head go back and forth. As in tree. As in tennis. As in tennis. This is I went to class and saw my pen fall all over the table. So I shouted, hey, 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 hey. A kitty mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink on her twice. The ink is spread all over the desk. It's wet. A as in ink. A as in ink. Can we see this? Ink. A as in ice cream. A as in ice cream. Joanna celebrated her 40th birthday and she was about to pop out the candle for the big cake. Let's go. Pop out the candle for the big cake. Puff out the candle for the big cake. Puff, puff, puff. As in pencil. As in pencil. As in pen. As in pen. And everything is about to laugh. And it makes a sound. Yea, the airplane. Yea, the airplane. Yea, the airplane. Make a lot of noise. As in next. As in next. As in noodles. As in noodles. Okay, we're about to learn our first level sound. A. When you watch this video, please blame yourselves and write it over it. Thanks for participating in our today's class. I am Mrs. Faith Aporari. Bye!